Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Lasota Vaccine, updated. Draw the vaccine into a sterile syringe using aseptic technique and confirm the prescribed dose before administration. Keep the vial upright, remove bubbles from the syringe, and recap needles only when required by protocol. Label drawn syringes with time and dose if not used immediately, and dispose of sharps in an approved container after use. In this video, I will explain how to use Lasota Vaccine, updated. Confirm the species-specific dosage and route before injecting, and use a fresh needle for each animal when possible. Restrain the animal gently and inject at the recommended site, then monitor for any immediate adverse reactions. Record dose, lot number, and administration details in a log to maintain accurate vaccination records for follow-up and tracing. In this video, I will explain how to use Lasota Vaccine, updated. Keep vials refrigerated within the advised temperature window and avoid exposure to sunlight or freezing conditions. Thaw frozen vaccine gently if applicable and mix by gentle inversion when instructed. Never shake vigorously. Track storage times and use open vials within the manufacturer's window and return unused, expired, or compromised vaccine to proper disposal channels promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.